Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 11th, 2025, and I was checking on the Dahlia tubers that these here were seedlings from last year, and they produced the tubers, so we dug them out in the fall time. And you can see they are sprouting here, so it's time to get these planted. Okay, so I have my container here, and I have the largest Dahlia tuber here. This is it's a larger container than what this one here grew in last year. I don't want to get the container too big that I have to worry about root rot or anything like that. And we're trying a new potting mix this year. I've never used this stuff before, but it seems to be really nice so far from what I've seen from it. It was the cheapest thing that I could find, honestly. It was, I think, like $10.99 a bag, and for a 2 cubic foot. So Miracle Grow is made by Scott's, and this already has plant food in it, so I'm not going to add anything else to it because I'm not, I don't want to burn the roots on anything. So I have this filled up some here with some of the potting mix, and it really seems to be a nice texture to it. Nice, fluffy, soft. I haven't found any real big chunks of anything in it. So we're going to put this down about 1 to 2 inches. And I'm going to fill in around here. If you're putting them outside in the ground, you want to go deeper. Like if you're planting your tubers out in the ground, you want to go deeper with them. But I want this one here for a container crop. I want to get it off to an early start, and I picked a big enough container for it. So you can see it has like different lips here in this container, and we want to stop filling it right here so that we have a water reservoir, and our water, when we water it, doesn't spill out over the container. So we're going to get some more potting mix here. And we're just going to start filling it around here. So I don't want to damage the shoots there. So I'm being careful as I put this around because I don't want to damage anything. And because these are already sprouting, I'm not going to put these on the heated floor in the greenhouse because they're already sprouting. They're just going to go right up on the shelves. Any that aren't sprouting are going to go down on the heated floor because that's my germination mat. If you have a germination mat, you'd want to put your Dahlia tubers on that. And I'm working the soil in between the roots here. And I'm really excited to see this variety bloom this year. It bloomed last year and it was beautiful. As your Dahlia tubers mature, when you grow them from seed the first year, they're usually focusing on doing the tubers. As they mature and as they grow, the blooms get even more beautiful on them. I really want to watch these sprouts. I don't want anything to happen to them. And as you water this, then your soil level will go down, so you have to add more soil to it. Breaking the soil up here. Trying to get it down in between these roots here. I'm just going to finish filling this up here. Just going to finish filling in around here. And we're going to get it watered. Like I said, the soil levels is going to shrink. So we will have to add more soil then. Okay. So I did add just a little bit more soil. I moved the container here to where I actually want it to be at, because once I water it, it's going to get heavier. So we're going to get this watered here. So we're just gently getting this watered here. This actually really isn't sinking. I'm happy about that. So we're going to water this till water runs out the bottom. Yeah, it sank a little bit at that one spot. Get some more soil here. Okay. Fill this in some more here. Oops. Let that soak down there some. And you might have to wait a little bit in between watering it to wait for all the water to run down. So it's finally starting to run out the bottom here for us, and there's one spot where it's not quite yet, so I'm just going to put a little bit more water on it, and yep, now it is. So our water is dripping out the bottom of the drain holes here, And we're just going to wait for this to come up through the soil here. We've seen that it was already sprouting. So shouldn't take too many days for it to sprout up through. It's really warm here in the greenhouse. It's cool outside, but it's really warm in here. So I hope that you found this video helpful for how to plant up your dahlia tubers. I am going to do a separate video for the smaller tubers so that you know how to plant those and kind of guide you on what size containers to use, especially if you're going to be planting them outside then in your flower beds. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.